Hello, we are pleased to welcome you to a tour of a two-bedroom show apartment by Emaar Properties. We are entering through this cute area, and when you enter, as you can see, we are stepping into the kitchen. I said spacious. As you can see, it's an open plan. Natural light comes from the balcony and it makes us feel very spacious. So first, the kitchen. It has got a polished marble top which is stylish and resistant, and it is spacious enough to accommodate all your essential appliances. The way it is cleverly designed, you'll be able to organize them very neatly. Let's look at the living room. It's bright and versatile, and this can be styled to match your personal taste. If you step onto the balcony, it's an ideal space to create a lounge by placing some outdoor furniture or just sit, relax, enjoy some fresh air. Now let's head to the hallway which leads to the bedroom, easily accessible, and as you can see, it is well lit, and on my right there is a nice beautiful storage area where you can tuck away all the unwanted stuff or even wanted supplies and household items and close it nicely and neatly. And then on my left you have a laundry room. You can have your washing machine there and you can have your storage area as well. From here you flow easily into the bedrooms, which I said earlier adds to the feeling of open plan. Further along, you will find a bathroom with a beautiful walk-in shower, and then from here you go across on the other side, you will find a room which can be easily converted into a children's room, adding some fun elements, probably a bunk bed with a space underneath, and you can even have an office table there. There is space for everything. Now let's move into the master bedroom. It is a bright and spacious room with large windows, perfect for creating an elegant and comfortable retreat. The best part of this bedroom is this retractable door which opens into a beautiful walk-in closet, which makes it a very nice and inconspicuous space. Let's get into the ensuite bathroom. It has got a beautiful, stylish, polished marble surface with a sink and a huge walk-in shower. This is ideal for a small family. We have taken you through this stunning show apartment. If you want to know more about Emaar Properties, just contact us today.